Hi everybody, I am back with brand new content today and I am showing you this. Very simple, very easy summer beachy bronze look is what I'm calling it, and you only have to use a tiny amount of product. It's totally my jam. Simple, quick, not a whole lot of products. I have actually put together this fabulous little bag for you. It is the summer beachy bronzy look all in a bag. In it is everything that you are going to need. There are only 4 products in here that will help you achieve this look. CC cream, bronzer, mascara, and lip gloss, all in this bag for you. I mean, how simple is that? I will be using a few other products just because I use a few other products every single day. But for the most part, everything you need to achieve this look is in here. And you know me, I love a good twofer. I am going to double that bronzer as an eyeshadow color. So if you want to see how I do it and see how ridiculously simple this is, please keep watching. Okie dokie, we're getting started. We're going to start off with foundation primer. This is my crack filler or spackle, and I just use my hands and apply it all over my face. This has SPF in it, which I love. Need to protect our skin from the sun, okay? So we need to just really get on the sun protection thing. It's very, very important. Okay, next up I'm going to be using my CC cream. You'll see me use this in just about everything I do in life. I'm going to use my foundation brush and apply this. Stipple it on. Okay, I am going in with a Perfecting Concealer today, and I am just going to focus around my eye area. Today I am going to use this also on my eyelids, like I'm going to pat it on my eyelids, because this can almost double as a primer. It's kind of tacky, and so that the product I'm going to put on my eyes will stick better. Seriously, the miracle of concealer. Now what I'm doing is I am going in with bronzer, and this is my twofer for the day. I love this bronzer because it has more of a pearl finish. It's not like matte, and it's not like sparkle. It's like this happy medium pearl finish. And I am absolutely using this on my eyes today as my eye shade. Again, simple, quick, easy, basic summer look for you. This is not going to be, I mean, this is like one step. Seriously, that's how easy it is. So anybody has time to do this, and that's part of the reason I love it. And it's also a twofer because I'm going to also be using it as a bronzer. Look at how pretty that color is. Isn't that awesome? And I just dusted a very small bit just on my eyelids. I am running a little bit underneath as well, because this is really, I have green eyes and this is really making them pop because there's a bit of like that orangey kind of warmth to it. And so it's really bringing out my eye color. I like this. That's it. That's the only color you're using on your eye today. That's all she wrote. Now I am going to line my eyes with our classic black eyeliner, and nothing crazy here. I'm just gonna do half. I'm just gonna do from like here out, nothing underneath either. Now I'm moving into the mascara, and one of the mascaras is featured in the little bundle that I put together. I am gonna also use my lash primer because I just love my lash primer and I always use it. So lash primer and then the featured mascara. Remember, with our lash primer, you're not going to see anything. It's not like white like a lot of the other ones. Ours is clear. The Ultimate Mascara is what I am using. It's going to give you mega volume. How about that for volume? It makes quite a bit of difference, doesn't it? Next, I'm going to go back to my bronzer, and I am going to use our big fluffy powder brush, and I am just going to do a super simple contour, and you just want to do like a 3. Okay, that's how easy it is. So like 3. Forehead, underneath, if you have to do the fish face, right there, and then right along the jawline. This makes the cheekbones pop. This shrinks your forehead, if that's possible for me. It's probably not. I have forehead the size of Texas. And then along the jawline will help you lose like 10 pounds. Not really, but it will give the illusion of that. Okay, so you just go in, tap, and give yourself that 3. I just like to make sure it's like soft. I don't want a hard contour. This is a very soft, easy, simple look. This is not like a campaign for contouring. From my little kit here, I am featuring the Beach Bronze Lip Gloss because this look is your beachy bronze look for summer. It's a Nourish Shine lip gloss. They are super hydrating and they are not terribly sticky. They go on beautifully, and this one has a little bit of shimmer to it. And this is a very subtle color. This is not going to be like boom or anything like that. Last step, I am going to finish with some of my finishing spray. I do use this daily, especially in the summer. It sets and holds the look for 16 hours, and it also just kind of like freshens the whole look. You just want to spray a little bit on. You'll feel amazing. Air out. Dry it off. So that is it for my summer bronze look, you guys. It does not get any simpler than that. It comes in this fun little kit, all the products you need pretty much to get this look. I did add a couple little things in, but you've got your CC cream, you've got your Beach Bronze lip gloss, you've got your bronzer, which doubles as your eyeshadow and your cheek color, and your CC cream that also has your sunscreen protection in it, which is so, so important, especially in the summertime. And your mascara. Hello, you can't go anywhere without your mascara, right? It's all included in here. So contact your consultant, have her get this in your hands this summer. If I am her, I'm happy to help. But yeah, she can definitely get this put together for you, and I just love it. I hope that you enjoyed the look. I hope that you're like, I can definitely get behind that. I can definitely do that. And as you can see, it just gives you this really great beachy summer bronzy look that you will feel extra special in, just running out the door if you're doing errands or picking up the kids from camp or going to the pool or the beach or the lake or whatever it is that you get to enjoy doing this summer. I hope that you all enjoyed this. Be sure to subscribe, give this a like, comment below, please be kind, and I will see you all soon.